This is the fifth and final screencast in a sequence looking at animation features within PowerPoint. Now in this feature here, what we're going to do is look at a way of creating emphasis. So we've got a diagram and we're going to make the items appear green on a mouse click in turn. So I'll just come into the editing mode and I'm going to come down the slide. So here's my diagram without any animations applied. So what we have to do here is think about the order in which things will happen. So the first thing that needs to happen is that first shape, I need to change the emphasis, and I'm going to use the change fill color option. So, and I'm going to go for a green. And I'm going to speed it up so it's very fast. So that will happen on the first click. What I then need to do is on the next click is I need to change it back to yellow. So again, add an effect, emphasis, change fill color, change it back to the yellow, and again make it very fast. The next thing that we need to happen is I need to make that one green. So add effect, emphasis, change fill color, change that one to green, and you'll notice that it chooses the colors that I've chosen previously. So once you've done the first two, it's very, very easy and very fast. And then the only thing I need to change here is I want this one to happen at the same time as the previous one going back to yellow. So I'm just going to change that to starting with previous. So if I just run the slideshow at this point, so the first click makes the first one green. On the second click, that goes back to yellow and that one becomes green. So we'll just do the next one just to practice it again. So we need to take that one back to being yellow. So I add effect, emphasis, fill color, and yellow. And again, I'm going to speed it up to be very fast. And then we bring in this one, add effect, emphasis, and make it green. Make it very fast. And then change to happen with previous. And you'll see that there's a pattern forming. So if you've got it right, you should find that you've got two things for each shape. So rectangle 4 goes yellow, then goes green. Rectangle 5 goes, rectangle 4 will go green, then it'll go yellow. Rectangle 5 will go green, then it'll go yellow. Rectangle 6 will go green, etc. So you're able to continue the sequence down for the whole process. So it's very, very simple to do that. And if we think back to the previous screencast where we was using triggers, we could actually combine this process with the triggers. So rather than it happening in the sequence predetermined, all you need to do is apply a trigger so that when you click on one of the shapes, it makes that shape green. Okay, so it's just combining the two skills from two of the screencasts to get a different effect altogether. It takes a bit of time to produce these, so it's working out the benefit to the learners and comparing it against the time that you invest in creating them. But once you've done a few of them, it becomes a lot quicker and can be quite useful.